Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ruchika and welcome to Creating Balance. In a latest report on pesticides, it has been shown that almost 70% of commercially grown fruits and vegetables contain up to 230 types of different pesticides or their breakdown products. Now, not just pesticides, in fact, these fruits and vegetables are being treated with a lot of other chemicals also before they reach our plate. In this video, I will talk about pesticides, ripening agents, wax coatings, injections given to these fruits and vegetables, and at last I will also discuss certain tips and tricks by which firstly you will be able to select right fruits and vegetables for yourself, and then secondly you will be able to get rid of those chemicals as much as possible. So let's begin the video. Now let's talk about pesticides. There are many different ways by which pesticides can be used. First of all, they can be sprayed on the roots of the plants while they are growing. The pesticides used in this manner are absorbed by the plant, and to some extent they will reach each and every part of the plant, be it its stem, flowers or fruits. Now, as these pesticides are already absorbed by the plants, we can't do much about them. But with the passage of time, these pesticides do get vanished to some extent. The next method of using pesticides is by directly spraying them on the fruits and vegetables. We can get rid of these types of pesticides to a larger extent by the tips and tricks that I am going to share later in this video. After pesticides comes the ripening agents. Fruits and vegetables are good sources of vitamins and minerals, but their health benefits depend on how they are ripened. Ideally, they should be allowed to ripen on the plant itself. But as these fruits and vegetables need to be transported to distant places, if they are harvested in the ripened stage, they will be spoiled before they reach their destination. So more often than not, farmers harvest them before they get ripened, and then traders ripen them artificially by using various chemicals at the destinations where these fruits and vegetables need to be sold. Most commonly used artificial ripening agent is calcium carbide. It is used to ripen papayas, bananas, mangoes, etc. This calcium carbide actually breaks down the organic composition of various vitamins and micronutrients. It is also known to have neurological effects. Pregnant women should be particularly careful about the use of such chemicals. Now, banana is one of the most widely consumed fruit crop in the world. As banana is a climatic fruit, its artificial ripening becomes almost essential in its large-scale distribution. Now, how can we actually distinguish between a naturally ripened banana and an artificially ripened banana? In case of naturally ripened banana, the skin will appear dark yellow with black and brown spots spread unevenly over the surface of banana. But in case of artificially ripened banana, the skin will appear lemon yellow without any spots in the early stage and big black spots in the later stage. Then the stalk of the naturally ripened banana will be black or brown in color, but the stalk of the artificially ripened banana will be green in color. The taste will also be different. In case of naturally ripened banana, the taste will be sweet. But in case of artificially ripened banana, the taste will be bland because starch is not completely converted into sugar. The naturally ripened banana will also sink to the bottom of the water when kept in a bowl filled with water. But artificially ripened banana will float over the surface of water because fruit is actually immature. Many fruits and vegetables are also being injected with various chemicals to achieve certain desired results. For example, in case of watermelon, when the watermelon is artificially ripened, it needs to be injected with a red colored dye. The commonly used red colored dye is erythrocin B. It is a cherry pink synthetic chemical which is used to give the pulp of watermelon a bright red color. This erythrocin B contains iodine and sodium, so it can lead to various thyroid malfunctions. Sometimes chemicals like carbide, lead chromate and Sudan red are also used as artificial sweeteners, and catalysts for faster growth. Lead chromide can cause skin allergies and damage to nervous system. Sudan red acts as an carcinogenic agent. Not just fruits, but vegetables are also being injected. These vegetables are injected with injections of hormones just like oxytocin. Now these hormones are injected to get these vegetables bigger in size and to make them ripen faster. But these hormones are related to various health issues like heart diseases, hormonal imbalances, neurological disturbances, and memory loss. The common vegetables that are being injected with hormonal injections are pumpkins, bottle gourd, and cucumbers. They are injected to increase them in their size and to make them appear plump and fresh. Now let's talk about the wax coatings used over these fruits. Wax coatings are usually applied on non-seasonal fruits. The commonly used wax coatings are of shellac and carnauba wax. They give an extra shine to the fruit and they also increase its shelf life. The experts say that the wax coatings themselves are not harmful for us, but the problem is that these wax coatings are applied before the pesticides are being removed from the surface of the fruit, and these wax coatings makes it quite hard for us to remove those pesticides by washing them. They also alter the taste of the fruit. The wax coatings are commonly used on the fruits like apples and grapes. In case of grapes, toxic benzene hexachloride can be there. This benzene hexachloride is a non-water soluble pesticide which is very difficult to remove even after washing the fruit properly. Now let's talk about how to deal with these chemicals. First and foremost thing is to choose seasonal and regional fruits and vegetables. By choosing seasonal and regional fruits and vegetables, you will automatically avoid those artificial ripening agents and those wax coatings. The next thing is bright colored, too glossy, non-seasonal fruits should be completely avoided. Remember, all that glitters is not gold, so try to avoid those fruits. The next thing is to check for the size and shape of the vegetables. The vegetables that are bigger than their usual size should be avoided, especially vegetables like bottle gourd and cucumbers. They should be of regular size and they should be slightly curved. When they are straight and too big in size, then the chances are that they are being injected with hormonal injection. So always check for their shape and their size. Now, as we have discussed how we should select our fruits and vegetables, let's talk about the ways to treat them to remove maximum amount of chemicals from their surface. To remove the surface pesticides, first of all, wash the fruits and vegetables under running water. After that, soak them in salt water solution or vinegar water solution for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you can rinse these fruits and vegetables again under running water. And after rinsing them, you can wipe them off with clean cotton cloth. This will remove 80 to 90% of the surface pesticides sprayed over those fruits and vegetables. You can also consider peeling off the skin of the fruits and vegetables whenever required. Also, make sure to wash the fruits and vegetables before you chop them or cut them. That's it for today's video. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you very much for watching.